And what's more, you can now get this for grad pick. Good morning. Today I'm gonna be, actually I don't know because I didn't really put anything in my planner. Being unproductive. We're gonna try to get some stuff done today, and we are going to clean my room for sure because I made a mess out of it the past few days. I did lots of arts and crafts, activities, and something I need to improve is packing up abilities and skills, because when I make a mess I usually don't put things back where they're supposed to be, and that's why I always end up with a pile of stuff on my desk, on my table, couch. So yeah. For today, I'm gonna be trying out this phone. It's the Realme 8 with 5G, and I actually got it with my postpaid plan with Glow. We're gonna be cleaning my desk. But first, I'm gonna be drinking coffee, and tunaw na nga yung ice ko because I was supposed to make it kanina pa, but then I kind of spiraled into social media. So we're gonna be making coffee. You guys probably know that I've already kind of graduated. Actually, graduation's on the 29th pa. Yeah, it really hasn't, it's not sinking in that I'm no longer in school, I guess because for the past year, I've been doing online classes, and the breaks, this just kind of feels like some kind of break, and then I'm gonna be going back to school again. Like, I'm stressing out and everything. But yesterday, I presented my thesis to a class in DLSU that my former prof was teaching. And I got to present my thesis and get feedback and answer questions, and it was really fun. I was really nervous. I think I was more nervous than my actual thesis defense. It turned out to be really nice. Like, I learned a lot. Even if I'm the one that was presenting, the questions that were asked actually helped me gain insights about my own thesis. So really grateful for that experience. Aside from that, I guess transitioning from a college student to a non-college student has been a bit tricky because of the fact that there's so many directions I could go, and I'm not really able to go to any because of pandemic, and it's a bit frustrating, and I've just kind of been stuck. I feel stuck. I think it's kind of bled into my content as well. Okay, so you guys are gonna be super proud of me. I make my own coffee now. As in, like, from this thing, I did this a little bit earlier before I started vlogging because I had to wash this thing. And I think that's why I usually don't like making my own coffee. Or like before, I'd use the Nescafe Gold ones. This one. I used this a lot because it was fast and I made a lot of coffee. But now I'm really taking my time and making coffee this way. I've been doing it ever since thesis, I think. And then we pour the coffee. Now we're gonna clean my desk. So I found a bunch of my old ID pictures because in college you usually have to like print out one by ones for index cards that you give to your professors so that they remember you and so that they have records of you. So I had a bunch of those done for like first year, second year, third year, even fourth year, and I found some 2x2s. So let's see how I transformed throughout my college years. Okay, so here's first year. I believe I took this during high school. Second year, third year, fourth year, grad pick.
If you didn't make it in your 20s, you can make it in your 30s. And if you didn't make it in your 30s, you can make it in your 40s. And if you didn't make it in your 40s, you can make it in your 50s. Have fun? That's what it's all about.
Is a Maine Coon, which happens to be the world's largest domesticated cat.
Lunchtime. made some ramen. Okay, so you guys probably know that I've had the Realme 8 with 5G. I've been sharing about it on Instagram and I've also shared it on my channel. We unboxed it together. But anyway, just to remind you guys, this is the Realme 8 with 5G. It has 8GB RAM, 180 times 2400 LCD resolution. I swear, like, super nice to just swipe or tap stuff. Very smooth. Front camera 16 megapixels. Has the Android 11 OS. It's dual nano SIM and has a chipset with 705G dimensity, and it holds up to 1 terabyte of memory. So this is 6.5 inches screen size, and then the camera in the back is 48 megapixels. So super fun. I've enjoyed using this a lot. I've been taking videos and going online with this. And what's more, you can now get this for 999 pesos a month with 1,200 pesos cash out with a GPlan, which includes 5GB and only all net calls and texts. This is a really great gaming phone if you like to game or even stream Netflix videos, Netflix movie series, YouTube. I love watching YouTube on this. The screen is really nice to watch videos on for sure. And so I'm sure you'll enjoy gaming on it as well because it's smooth to touch and super nice screen. And I also have a special promo code for you guys so that you can have 300 pesos GCash credit upon exit. So just use my referral code GPLANXNICOLE when you avail of any of the GPlan 999 and up plans. So don't let this get away. Grab this opportunity because great phone, great plan. So what a steal. There's a link in the description box that you guys can go to if you want to check it out and take advantage of this offer. Colors! Hello.
When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. Broke his own heart and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. 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 I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts, and we've got to find other ways to make it a exception.
Yay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want to hear more music, just subscribe because I think I'm going through like a content cleanse. I haven't been super inspired as a vlogger, but yeah, definitely a lot more music. I feel music and singing covers has really been helping me, so I really want to share with you guys the covers that I actually record. So, sulitin na natin yung setup. I'm gonna be doing covers. We got some merienda. We have ice cream. Mary Moo ice cream. It's artisan ice cream. 3. So first up we have the ube. Cute packaging. Avocado. And then we have creme brulee. Cool, cool, cool.
You can lie by the waves,
Darn.
just outside the sky. Cry all you want, but you'll never know why. Lay your head on your hands, sink into the sand. Stare at the stars. Do it over again. But it comes back just like the waves. Your head spins, your cup and insane. Can't relax, it's all just a shame. Wish you could wash it away. When you lie by the waves, stones side the sky. Lay your head on my heart, and now you know why. It all falls into place.
Hello! So I just got a Shopee package that I've been waiting for a while, and it's a bunch of pictures that I got printed. The shop was all the way in Mindanao, so it took a really long time. So actually, medyo nagulat ako na it's already here because the Shopee updates weren't saying that it was already in Manila. So I'm gonna open this. Got ID pictures. Dami, oh. Ooh.
12 o'clock, is it too late for you tonight? Roommates asleep, we can sneak in, tiptoe through the tulips, scary movies while we lay it low. Won't let nobody know, not divine, but I don't mind. Up on Valentine, come see me, keep it low.
복잡하게 생각하는 거 없이 먹고 싶은 거 먹고 하고 싶은 일 하고 좋아하는 사람을 좋아하고
Nice one, G1.
Yeah, smart. You should bring up.
Oh!
What?
Oh!
Hello?
He's so confused.
Stay away from this problematic woman.
Follow your career view.
Control away.
Yeet! My emotional abuse work. Of course you. That's why they only made it 10 episodes.
I hate this show so much.
The show should have ended with the apartment couple, so they're perfect for each other.
On my own. Movies on my phone. Watching Home Alone. Say what? Bringing my ass home. Body on my own. Movies on my phone. Watching Home Alone. Bringing my ass home.
Now we're gonna open the Lenshan USB-C digital AV multiport adapter, and I got this for my iPad because it's really convenient. There's a stand and there are multiple ports, and you can even use this for anything with a USB-C port.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world. So just fuck me like the side boy. Save me from all of the pain and the drama. I'm playing whisper down the lane with my problems. Hope it's somebody gonna solve them. And so I lose myself in labor. Time to cry when the day's filled. But when the lights turn low and there's no one here, can I shed a tear? Can you lullaby me? Oh, so baby, can you love me? I really want that lullaby. So love my body, lullaby me, oh, love my body. Ooh, so baby, can you love? Yeah, I really want that lullaby. Yeah, oh, oh.
Wow.
Yeah. Let me know, why you always so tired? Yeah. It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world.
Yes. We should use. Yes.
No. Hello. Okay. Ooh, extra. Woo! Winners. Hi, it's me from the next day, and it's still raining today. I think it's actually a rainier day than it was yesterday, but yeah, I'm gonna have another long day today editing vlogs. I hope that you enjoyed watching this vlog. If you did, please make sure to click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. That's all that I have for you guys today. I hope that I see you in the next video. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay safe, sane, and inspired. Hugs and besos. Bye.
Won't let nobody know not to fight.